Come on. He was getting cold this morning, so see him shaking.
Yeah, so we're fixing to head out on a ride this morning, and we got Cricket. She put him in his little vest to help him keep warm. It shouldn't be that. I don't think it's going to be that cold, especially when we get in the sun. It's just all in this forest here is pretty dark, but
Well, for now we got the vent shut
we
for
get in
him.
the sun, all the vents are shut. He'll be warm.
Yeah, he's gonna be warm, but I just wanted to put it on him so he'd be more
He got a
comfortable.
lot more fur than we do.
Yeah.
I'm glad I ain't got that much fur. So anyway, we're headed out toward the parkway, and no telling where we'll end up today. We're just gonna ride all day.
Yeah.
So here we go. Well, we are almost to the parkway now. Hopefully, it's not rerouted and closed and all that like yesterday. But we're going to be trying the north way this time. Uh-oh. Flat tire.
Yep. Look at them mountains. Look off to the right. Look at that view.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool view. Lots of trees.
Trees everywhere. Trees, trees.
Falling rock.
Ooh, it's cool through here too.
Yeah, the temperature dropped big time right there.
Well, we'll see what today's adventures holds for us.
Yeah. Hopefully it's good.
That's all good as long as we're still riding the bike.
Oh yeah. Even if we didn't make it on the parkway, it's still a pretty area to be riding in out here.
Yes, it is. Even a lot of the back roads that we've been on have been really pretty rides.
Highway 18 south.
1 minute away, 0.7 miles. Ooh, somebody's burning the brakes.
Yeah, somebody's brakes are smoking coming down
Woo.
that hill. Big time. Can you guys smell it on there? Oh, probably not.
That's funny.
We don't have smell-a-tube.
Smell-o-vision. No, that'd be funny if we did. Oh, somebody started to build something or had something built there.
Yeah, I seen that. It's out of the corner of my eye.
Yeah. The right-hand side of it looked like the foundation busted and already started to fall apart, and it don't look that old.
Glade Creek.
Old house.
Blue Ridge Parkway ahead.
There's a little tunnel.
Another one.
Yippers skippers, here we go. Blue Ridge Parkway. Okay, so north to the left, south to the right. Wonder how far you can go up to the south from this direction before it's cut off.
I don't think very far. Here we go.
Your directions ain't going on the phone.
We don't need directions now. We're on the parkway.
Oh.
We're just going. So we're going to try this again, see how far we can go without another road closure. So this parkway is pretty strict, I guess, on the speed limit. It's 45. There's places where it's 35. But there ain't no high speed on this. I don't know what the crotch rockets do. They probably just go fast anyway, but definitely not supposed to.
Right. I'm sure it's just not crotch rockets. I'm sure other bikers even
Oh,
take
yeah.
this fast. There's even some cars that take it fast. We've seen some cars that flying faster than 45 down through here.
Yeah.
Even a cop.
Yeah.
And he wasn't chasing nobody. Look at a pretty flowered tree. Pretty, pretty, pretty.
Look up there, yeah. That's roses growing up there, I think.
Well, what I've been seeing is on a tree, though.
Oh, it may be. Yeah, it is a tree.
That's a tree.
I guess it is a tree.
Unless if it's some kind of a rose tree that I've never heard of.
Chestnut Creek.
It's got water in it.
So actually 45 mile an hour on this road is actually a pretty good clip.
It is.
I mean, you're rolling right along at 45 for the curves and stuff. There's one of those little bridges.
Oh, I like that. That's cool.
They keep it nice and clean and mowed through here, that's for sure.
Yeah, they do. No access except for if somebody walks from the property over onto the road.
Right.
But they don't have no road access unless if they go around to one of the accesses to get onto here.
Right. Yep. You can't just come across. You don't see no. There's probably some people that sneak across on their vehicles from their land. You wouldn't want to be making any tracks if you did.
Right. Like there was a little dirt road.
Yeah.
But there are no major like roads that come on here except for
the access points.
The access points. Those little roads could be somebody's farm road where they can get out and then come to their next little section.
Possible.
But that's probably about it. Or like you said, they might even come sneak on here from there to drive it. And I'm sure they probably do. Well, their road to their house actually went to that.
Yeah.
So they must have to find an access road to get to their house all the time.
I'd say so.
That's the first time I've ever seen an actual driveway go up to somebody's house. It's always fenced off. Okay, so, well, that's the first access road to a house. And there's another one. Okay, so they just made a liar out of us.
There's a gravel road there.
Yeah. Okay, so there are some other little points, but it's only like to private properties. Okay. Well, we found out something new. At least on this side.
Look at the wind blowing that grass out there.
I know, I love that. I like how it waves. Does the waves.
Yeah.
Like wheat. It looks like wheat rolling across the ground. Pretty cool. I like when it does that. Music Center. I like all the wildflowers. Look at that.
Yeah, it smells good through here with all the pine trees and then the wildflowers.
I wonder if anybody's ever seen any bear or anything through here.
Well, imagine. I would imagine.
Are those cherry trees? Because those almost look like they've got buds on them, the flowers like cherry trees or something.
Yeah, it's not dogwood.
No, it almost looks like a dogwood, but it's different. It's got way more flowers and everything on it. I'm gonna have to look that up. That's got me curious what that is. It's pretty when it's bloomed out.
I would say it is.
It's some kind of a cherry or plum tree. There's a lot of them down through here.
A lot of ferns.
Yeah, that too.
Not red ferns either.
Quit. Whoa.
Yeah, I think he's doing 45 because I'm doing 45.
Yeah, and you're not supposed to be passing.
No. Whatever floats your boat.
Yeah. Keep on rolling. However it is that you roll, if you get caught by a cop, that's your fault.
So where he turned in there, that entrance where we turned in was Cumberland. Anyway, I don't know how far we're going to go up through here today. We'll see. But of course, we can't put it all on a video. We'll have to break it up into pieces. Some people like long videos, some people don't like it. They get bored with long videos, I don't know. I like long videos myself.
I've noticed too on the ferns that there's a real light, bright looking fern, and then there's a darker green looking fern.
Yeah.
But I've seen way more of the real light one. Oh wow, that house is falling apart.
Is this a lookout? Maybe so.
Yep, it's a lookout.
Look out, look out. Okay, guys, we're going to get off here. See you in the next video. We'll continue this ride. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures.
Well, you can't see a whole lot because the trees are grown up.
Catch you all in the next one. Ride on.
Elevation here is 2,900. This is view Piedmont. Elevation 1,000.